Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can have the fall mutation on your plants in Grow a Garden. There are two ways to achieve this. The first one is you will need this specific fountain. You can get it by going to the shops here and purchasing it in the cosmetic shop here. It is a divine item, but I got it on like the third try of me restocking. I don't remember, but I got it on like on the first day. But you're going to get something like this. Wait, let me find one that's, I think I have one in my inventory actually. Fall. Okay, it looks like this, and if you kind of like move around, you'll see fall leaves like falling from the plant. Another way is to get the grizzly bear. This is what the grizzly bear looks like, and you get it by hatching the fall eggs. I think it's the only pet that can give the fall mutation to your plants. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.